Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class. In last class, we discussed about fractions, how to compare fractions, how to write greater than and less than symbols in given fractions, which fraction is biggest number, which fraction is smallest fraction. Okay, in previous class, we learned these topics. Okay, in today's class also, we will discuss about fractions, how to change into proper fraction, improper fraction, and how to change into mixed fraction. Already you know very well what is mixed fraction, what is improper fraction. Okay, from improper fraction to we have to change into mixed fraction. From mixed fraction to we have to change into improper fraction. First take your mathematics textbook and running notes and pencil. Sit properly, children, on your videos. Take out the textbook. Page number 78. Exercise 5.7. Page number 78. Exercise 5.7. Express the following improper fractions. Exercise 5.7. Express the following. Express the following improper fractions. As mixed fraction. First one, 13/7. Okay. Express the following improper fractions as mixed fractions. So first this fraction is 13/7. Here 13 is numerator, 7 is denominator. What is M. Vignesh? Yesterday, fourth bit, not understand teacher. In which exercise, boy? Vignesh, in which exercise, fourth bit? Yes, fourth bit, okay. But which exercise I am asking? Which exercise, fourth bit, boy? Exercise 5.4. Yes, Vignesh? Okay, in your mobile, keep it unmute, boy, first. Vignesh. Ah, yes, okay. Exercise 5.4, fourth bit. Exercise 5.4, fourth bit. Yes? Okay, I am explaining. Listen, boy. List out proper fractions. List out proper fractions among the following. Among the following. What is first one? 5/9. Is 5/9? Next second one is 14 by 14. Next third one is 7 by 24. Next fourth one is 15 by 32. Next fifth one is 23 by 45. List out proper fractions among the following. Here given fractions 5 by 9, 14 by 14, 7 by 24, 15 by 32, 23 by 45. Yes, here given these fractions. From these fractions, we have to list out the proper fractions. List out the proper fractions. And means we have to write proper fractions. Okay? Which fractions are proper fractions? Which fractions are proper fractions? Numerator less than denominator. Numerator less than denominator means numerator smallest number in which fractions are having numerator smallest number, denominator biggest number having, those fractions are called proper fractions. Now in these fractions, which fractions are having proper fraction? Same Murudula Vignesh, M Vignesh. Numerator smallest number and denominator biggest number. Like that fractions you have to say. Third one. Okay, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and first one also boy. 5 by 9 also proper fraction. Yes, 5 by 9 is the improper fraction. Okay, first one also proper fraction. 5 by 9 and 7 by 24, 15 by 32, 23 by 45. These fractions are proper fractions. Okay, did you understand by now? M. Vignesh, did you understand? List out proper fractions means write the which fractions are proper fractions. Choose the which fractions are proper fractions. Did you understand or not? Say yes or no. Okay, very good. Let answer. 5 by 9, 7 by 24, next 15 by 32, next 23 by 45. These are proper fractions. Okay? Did you understand what? Remaining students also. Did you understand, children? Okay, next. Now exercise 5.7. Now I am explaining exercise 5.7 problems. Express the following improper fractions. Express the following improper fractions as mixed fractions. As mixed fractions. This is improper fraction. 13 by 7 is improper fraction because 13 is numerator, 7 is denominator. 13 biggest number is there and denominator 7 is smallest number is there. So, yeah, 13 greater than 7. Okay? Your video is not coming. I think in your mobile, Mani Chandana, I think in your mobile problem, once you check your mobile. Once you log out and log in again. Okay, 13 by 7. 13 by 7 is improper fraction. This improper fraction you change into mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Now I am explaining. Listen carefully, children. 13 by 7 change into mixed fraction. Change into mixed fraction. First 13 by 7. This is fraction form. Write in division form. 13 divided by 7. Okay, 13 divided by 7. Do division. 13 divided by 7. 7. In 7 table, 13 where will come, children? 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So, we will take which number? We have to take which number? 7 ones are 7. Very good. 7 ones are 7. Subtract. 13 minus 7 is? What is the difference of 39 and 7? Say fast. Okay, very good. 6. Very good, Vignesh. 6. So here 6 is remainder, children. Here 6 is remainder. Here 6 is remainder. Here 1 is quotient. 1 is quotient. Okay, 13 is dividend. You know already. Here 7 is divisor. How can we write in mixed fraction? How can we write in mixed fraction? Now after division, first quotient is whole number. Quotient is whole number. So first 1 whole. Quotient is whole number and 6 remainder is right in numerator place. Okay, 6 is remainder. This remainder is right in numerator. Okay, right in numerator. Next divisor is right in denominator. 1 whole 6 by 7 is answer. 1 whole 6 by 7 is mixed fraction. 13 by 7 is improper fraction. 13 by 7 you change into mixed fraction. What is the answer? What is the mixed fraction? 1 whole 6 by 7. 1 whole 6 by 7. How can we change into mixed fraction? With division. Do division. 13 divided by 7. 13 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 is nearer to 13. Nearest and smallest number to 13. That's why 7 ones are 7. You take 7 ones are 7. 1 write in quotient place. 7 write in dividend downside. Subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 is here remainder. Here 1 is quotient. Here 7 is divisor. So, how can we write in mixed fraction? This 1 number quotient is right here whole number. 1 is here whole number. Next remainder 6 is here right in numerator. Next 7 divisor we have to write in denominator. 1 whole 6 by 7 is mixed fraction of 13 by 7. Okay, 13 by 7 equals 1 whole 6 by 7. 13 by 7 is improper fraction. 1 whole 6 by 7 is mixed fraction. Here 13 by 7 we changed it into mixed fraction. I will explain some more problems, children. Okay, then you can understand very easily. Okay, right, children, this one. Next one is 17 by 6. Next one is 17 by 6. Next problem is 17 by 6. 17 by 6 is improper fraction. Here numerator is 17. Here denominator is 6. 17 greater than 6. Okay, 17 greater than 6. Numerator greater than denominator half. So these fractions are called improper fractions. Okay, this fraction is called improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? With division. Do division. Then we have to write in mixed fraction. Seventeen by 6 change into mixed fraction. Okay, 17 by 6. 17 by 6. Write in division form. 17 divided by 6. 17 divided by 6. Do division. Yes. 6 2s are 12. Very good. 6 2s are 12. What is the difference? 12, 17 minus 12. 17 minus 12. What is the difference? Manisha, 17 minus 12. Yes, 5. Yes, here 5 is remainder. Here 2 is quotient. Now write in mixed fraction. How can we write in mixed fraction? 2 is quotient is whole number. Okay, 2 quotient is whole number. Write in whole number. 17 by 6 equals 2 whole 5 by 6. 2 whole 5 by 6. See children, here in this mixed fraction and here improper fraction, denominator is not changed. Okay, here denominator which number have? In next in answer mixed fraction also denominator same number is there. Okay, only here changing only numerator and whole number. Numerator and whole number. Whole number we have to write in. Don't write in numerator place or denominator place. Opposite of line. Only this opposite of line. Okay, 2 whole 5 by 6. 2 whole 5 by 6. 2 write in opposite of by symbol. Division symbol, by symbol, bar symbol. Okay, this is bar symbol. 5 by 6. You write whole number opposite of bar. Okay. Don't write in numerator place or don't write in denominator place. This whole number. Whole number don't write in numerator or don't write in denominator. In question, in improper fraction, which denominator is there? In answer also, in mixed fraction also, same denominator, same number will come. Okay, don't confuse here. Only here changing whole number and numerator number. Whole number is quotient number. Next, remainder is numerator. Okay, here numerator is remainder number. Next, here quotient number is written whole number place. 2 whole 5 by 6. This 2 whole 5 by 6 is mixed fraction. Okay. Did you understand, children? How to change into mixed fraction? Shall I explain some more examples? Some more problems? Shall I say, children? Say, cha. Okay. Next, ninth one. Now I am saying ninth one, children. (44/13). Explain, teacher. Okay. I will explain. Listen. 44 by 13. 44 by 13 also improper fraction. Because of here numerator greater than denominator. Numerator is biggest number. Here denominator is smallest number is there. So this fraction is called improper fraction. Okay. Here improper fraction given. So we change into mixed fraction. Okay. Write down first of all. First step is 44 by 13 change into mixed fraction. Change into mixed fraction. Okay. How can we change into mixed fraction? Do division. You know division very well, I think. You know division? Yes, you know. 44 by 13 equals 44 divided by 13. Do division, children. 44 divided by 13. In 13 table, 3 teacher. 13 3s are 39. Very good. 13 3s are 39. Very nice. 44 near 39 is nearer to 44. 13 4s are 52. So 52 is biggest number. So don't take that number. Only we have to take nearest and smallest number. In table which number have 13 3s are 39. 3 right here and 39 right dividend downside. Subtract, children. 44 minus 39. Yes, very good. 5. Yes, very nice. Now who sent message? Galaxy on 7 prime. Write your name, boy. Write your name. Don't write your mobile name. Okay, write your name. How can I know your who are you? 44 minus 39 is 5. Now how can we write mixed fraction, children? How can we write mixed fraction? Denominator is no change. Only whole number and numerator. What is whole number here? Say first. Yes, 3 whole 5 by 13. Very good, Hamsini. 44 by 13 equal 3 whole 5 by 13. Here denominator is not changing. Okay, denominator is not changing. Only whole number. Whole number is quotient. Next, remainder is numerator. Now did you understand, children? Ayan, did you understand how can we change into mixed fraction? Remainder is 15. No, 15 is not correct. Here 4 minus 9 is not possible. That's why we take borrowing from 4. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Here 3 minus 3 is 0, not 1. 4 minus 3 you doing, I think. Okay. 44 minus 39 is 5 only, not 15. Ayan, did you understand how can we change into mixed fraction? Yes, understand. Very good. Manichandana, from improper fraction to change into mixed fraction. M. Vignesh. Yes, next Manisha. Okay, understand. Next Manisha, right now, you only, I think, your name only, not writing. Svecha, did you understand girl? Okay, very good. Okay, these are improper fraction. From improper fraction to mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Just we have to do division with division. Era Vivek, did you understand, boy? Vivek? Yes, very good. Next one, 11th problem. 11th one. What is 11th one? 100 by 7. Completed. 100 by 7. Same children, same steps. First, change into mixed fraction. 100 by 7. Change into mixed fraction. What we do? This 100 by 7. Write in division form first. 100 divided by 7. Do division. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7. 3. Okay. 3. 0. 7 4s are 28. What is the remainder? 2. What is the remainder? 2. So 14 whole 2 by 7. What is the mixed fraction? 14 whole 2 by 7. Here quotient is whole number. Next remainder is write in numerator. Next divisor is write in denominator. In question what denominator is there? In answer also we have to write the denominator number. Okay, here 7 is there and you write in answer also denominator place write 7 only. Okay, did you understand children? How can we change into mixed fraction? Okay, 14 whole 2 by 7. Yes, correct only. In today's class, I explained only from improper fraction to how to change into mixed fraction. Okay, how to change into mixed fraction. In tomorrow class, I will explain how to change into improper fraction. From mixed fraction to how to change into improper fraction. In tomorrow class, I will explain. In today's class, I said only change into mixed fraction. I hope you all are understand. Okay, children. Thank you, children.